Japanese bakers are known for their attention to detail and precision in baking, resulting in consistently high-quality bread products. Today, I will show you how to make Japanese brioche bun.
Ultra soft and sweet, brioche is a cake-like bread that is rich in eggs. Did you know that in Japan it's eaten like a muffin with a variety of toppings and sweet fillings? So, despite being classified as bread, it can also be enjoyed as cake or snack instead of breakfast. To make the brioche bun, firstly, let's gather all the ingredients. Begin by combining flour, Kobo compressed fresh yeast, J-Bake 1000 bread improver, salt and sugar. Slowly pour in the whole eggs, water and fat of your choice in the mixture bowl. Mix the bread dough until it reaches full development, ensuring that the temperature is between 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. Once the dough has rested for 10 minutes, it can be divided into portions of 40 grams if you're using muffin cups or 400 grams for bread molds. We recommend you divide the dough into small portions and try a variety of fillings. For our brioche buns, we are using a cream cheese filling. Roll out the dough, fill it with cream cheese, and then place it in the muffin cups. Allow the dough to develop for 50 to 60 minutes at 35 degrees Celsius before baking. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the dough for 12 to 15 minutes. The baking time may differ based on the bread's weight. And there you have it, soft, sweet and rich brioche buns are ready to be enjoyed.